Yes, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the team discussion this week. Just wanted to point out here a couple of things in this aspect of it. It's located on 485 in the textbook, but you can actually you can also, because I used a regular textbook for this, you can just go ahead and get rid of and just Google the Platinum Resorts case, and it'll come up. Yeah, I'm not quite sure if it's 485, but it's pretty close to that. Um, you're actually going to be in groups of 3 to 4. I'll actually change that. Most everybody is in groups of 4. And so it works out the best when we do groups of 4. So as you come down through here, you're looking to state the position of what a matrix structure is. The president should be able to outline that for you guys. And then you're going to be assigned to one of these positions, which is the president, which has already been randomly assigned. That cannot be changed. And then the person will then the other 3 people will pick from these positions. A housekeeper from Key West, a sales manager from Del Carmen, and a guest from the Nigel Resort in Jamaica. So you're going to take those positions, and then you're going to look at the platinum. You're going to look at the matrix structure and justify based on your position whether or not that's a good position for this company to take. Okay. So you need to be fully supportive of what your position is, whether you agree with it or not. Okay. What I'm saying is you had better be able to defend this fully and supporting it with some references and quoting some things in your there. Um, if you guys invite me to the meeting, if not, I'll be reviewing the videos. You'll be graded on how well you support your position and how well you work with the group. Those are the 2 things I'm looking for. As you come down here, you're not going to actually be commenting to your peers this week. What you're going to be doing is getting together in a video in a group, basically a group chat, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, many of those. There is the big red button or the big blue button over here that you can use as well. That's a little harder. Microsoft Teams does save it once you do the recording, as well as Zoom does. If you tell it to record, you're going to need to record the session, and then you're going to be uploading that into the discussion. And I'll show you how to do that before we're done here. As we look at this, and level discovering the level of activity and the level of preparation you put into the post. If you invite me to the meeting, it'll be an extra 10 points. If I can make the meeting, then you'll be able to handle that. So what I'm going to do now is take a look at as we come over here, just to make sure everybody understands. There are people under the people. This is the discussion group for this week. Okay, so this is the discussion group. So all of these groups here are discussion groups. Okay, and here is your presidents. It's indicated by a little guy right there. Okay, the little guy to the left of it of that name means that you are the president that's been determined by random selection. So you can see we do have 3 groups of 3, and then we have the rest of them, everybody else is in 4. Okay. That's just kind of how it randomly worked out here. So this is how you determine who the president is. So if you haven't heard from this person by Wednesday or so, you might want to reach out to them and kind of start bugging that person to put something together, because it's their responsibility to put the meeting together and to lead it. Now, in recording this, okay, what you can actually do is, let me see if I can move this bar a little bit. I'll go here. And what you can do is you can go to YouTube. Okay. after you've recorded it. And what you will see here is up here in this corner, the little video thing, it says create. Come up here, you're going to upload a video. Okay. You drag your top file over. Okay. You drag your file over, drop it in there. And then you will actually, then you walk all the way through this until you get to the end. And then what you'll do here, then once you get to this point where it actually plugs in here, then what you'll do here is take a look at this. You'll actually click on it to play it, and you can do this from anywhere, really.
Hello, everybody. Welcome
And then what you're going to do is once you get you gotta actually get it into the play mode. I clicked on the wrong one. Let me mute this real quick here. And then what you're going to do is come down here to where it says share. This box will pop up, and then you're going to hit the embed code. Okay. And you can just copy it. It copies to a clipboard. Okay. Then you'll come back into the shell, go to discussions. My internet must be a little slow this morning. Click on the discussions. See if this is the right one. Okay. And then what you're going to do is obviously hit reply. Then you're going to come over here to this little three dots. And then the next one is going to be this little cloud. And then you're going to take and just copy that over. Submit. And then your video will be there. Okay. And then you basically from there, you can hit, basically you're going to hit the, at this point, you're done with the post. So you can, actually, I think it posted for me already. Yeah, there it is. Okay. It did post for me already once I clicked it in there. So, and then then you're done for the week. I'm going to replace this one with the video I'm doing right now for you guys. So it'll be both in the announcement and in the discussion. So, again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. But I hope this clears up most of them for the Platinum Resorts one. And like I said, you'll see this in the announcements as well as the discussion. All right, I'll be in touch soon. Hopefully, guys, it'll be an active week for us.